Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off auto renewal on your NordVPN subscription. Whether you're comparing other services or simply trying to manage your expenses more carefully, this step-by-step walkthrough will make the process clear and easy to follow. And if you decide to renew later, the link below gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. To get started, open the NordVPN app on your device. Once it loads, look to the left-hand side and scroll down until you see the small gear icon. This opens the settings menu. Click it, then go to the profile section where you'll find your account details. From there, look for the subscription option and click Manage. This will automatically open your web browser and take you to the NordVPN subscriptions page. Scroll down until you find the auto renewal section. Click the Cancel button to begin the process. You'll be taken to a confirmation page where you'll need to click Cancel Auto Renewal one more time to confirm your choice. And that's it. Auto renewal is now turned off, and you can always turn it back on or renew manually whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and feel free to use the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months.